तर आपण कालच्या पिरियडला पाहिलेलं आहे एनर्जी ऑफ ए पार्टिकल परफॉर्मिंग केसेसच्या मध्ये स्पेशल केसेस पाहिलेले आहेत। आज आपल्याला पाहायचं आहे सिंपल पेंडुलम। सिंपल फिगर आपण काढू। रिजिड सपोर्ट string, this is a bob, mg cos theta, mg sin theta, displacement x, angle theta, tension K dash in the string, length of simple pendulum, point of suspension O, A, B, C, rigid support। तर आपल्याला आयडियल सिंपल पेंडुलमची डेफिनेशन आणि प्रॅक्टिकल सिंपल पेंडुलमची डेफिनेशन पाहायचं आहे। Ideal simple pendulum is defined as a heavy particle suspended by massless, inextensible, flexible string from a rigid support। आणि practical simple pendulum definition, practical simple pendulum is defined as a small heavy sphere called bob suspended by light and inextensible string from a rigid support। So first of all, ideal simple pendulum is defined as a heavy particle suspended by massless, inextensible, flexible string from a rigid support। आणि practical simple pendulum is defined as a small heavy sphere called bob suspended by light, inextensible string from a rigid support। तर आयडियल सिंपल पेंडुलम आणि प्रॅक्टिकल सिंपल पेंडुलम The ideal simple pendulum is defined as a heavy particle suspended by massless, inextensible, flexible string from a rigid support. And practical simple pendulum definition: practical simple pendulum is defined as a small, heavy sphere suspended by light and inextensible string from a rigid support. तर आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिकल सिंपल पेंडुलम पाहायचा आहे. So this is the practical simple pendulum. Length of simple pendulum capital L. The length of simple pendulum की definition अपन पहले पाहू. Length of simple pendulum is defined as the distance between point of suspension and the center of gravity of bob is called as length of simple pendulum. Let small m is the mass of bob, T dash is the tension in the string directed upward towards the rigid support. X is the displacement. When the pendulum is displaced, means in extreme position at small angle theta, and it released, then simple pendulum oscillates on both sides from mean position. OA is the mean position of simple pendulum. In displaced position, two forces are acting on a bob. One is mg, weight mg, acting vertically in downward direction, and second is tension T1, directed upwards towards the rigid support. In displaced position, the weight mg can be resolved into two components. One is mg cos theta, along the string, and number two, mg sin theta, the component mg sin theta, perpendicular to string. The mg cos theta is balanced by the tension T dash in the string, and mg sin theta is the restoring force of mass m acting on a bob, tending to return to its equilibrium position or mean position. Then restoring force it is unit by F is equal to minus mg into sin theta. Amplitude is very small, that is theta is very small. Then sin theta is equal to theta in radian. Put sin theta is equal to theta in above equation. F is equal to minus mg into theta. From figure, angle theta च्या समोरची बाजू आहे x, लगतची बाजू आहे n. कोनासमोरील बाजू भागिले लगतची बाजू म्हणजे अँगल थीटा. थीटा इज इक्वल टू आपल्याला घेता येईल थीटा इज इक्वल टू x डिवाइडेड बाय n. याला इक्वेशन नंबर 1 टाका, याला इक्वेशन नंबर 2 टाका, याला इक्वेशन नंबर 3 पुट equation 3 in equation 2 we get theta ची व्हॅल्यू x डिवाइडेड बाय n इक्वेशन 2 मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करा. f is equal to minus mg, theta is equal to x divided by n. In this equation, mass m, acceleration due to gravity g, and length capital L are constant. We have to write as f is directly proportional to x. From this, in a small displacement, the restoring force is directly proportional to displacement. The direction of restoring force and displacement are opposite. We know the period of simple pendulum t is equal to 2 pi divided by omega. आपण पिरियड इन एसएचएम मध्ये पाहिलेला आहे. पिरियड कॅपिटल T is equal to 2 pi divided by omega. T is equal to 2 pi divided by omega ची व्हॅल्यू आपण पाहिलेली आहे. एक्सेलरेशन पर युनिट डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Acceleration per unit displacement. तर आपल्याला रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स चे इक्वेशन घ्यावे लागेल. रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स F is equal to minus mg into x divided by L. So we know Newton's second law, force F is equal to ma. F is equal to ma. Put F is equal to ma in above equation. Ma is equal to minus n into g into x divided by n. Get cancel. A is equal to minus g into x divided by n. x चा डिवाइड मध्ये a च्या a divided by x is equal to minus g divided by n. a divided by x means acceleration per unit displacement. So acceleration per unit displacement a divided by x is equal to minus g divided by l. Magnitude घ्यायचं acceleration per unit displacement चं. Magnitude of A by x is equal to G by L. A by x, this acceleration for displacement is equal to G by L. Period of simple pendulum मध्ये सृष्टी करा. Period t is equal to 2 pi divided by acceleration per unit displacement is equal to G by L. Where that t is equal to 2 pi into square root of L numerator ला जाईल L divided by G. This is the expression for simple pendulum. From this equation, we are write as period of simple pendulum is directly proportional to square root of length. Next, period of simple pendulum is inversely proportional to square root of acceleration due to gravity. Period of simple pendulum does not depend upon mass. Mass is absent in equation. Does not depend upon mass. परत आपल्याला period of simple pendulum does not depend upon amplitude. म्हणजे amplitude is the absent आहे याच्यामध्ये. तर these are the laws of simple pendulum. One, period of simple pendulum is directly proportional to square root of length. Period of simple pendulum is inversely proportional to square root of acceleration due to gravity. Number 3, period of simple pendulum does not depend upon mass, and period of simple pendulum does not depend upon amplitude. So these are the laws of simple pendulum. Assumptions काही क्वेश्चनचे आहेत ते उद्या पाहू आपण.